Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. Yesterday, Fed Chairman Powell suggested that this hot inflation is not because commodities are rising, but it is because economies are reopening and market is facing transportation issues because of reopening of economies. That is what he has said yesterday regarding rising inflation. In fact, he also suggested that be it 2% or 3%, he will not increase the interest rate till at least 2022. In fact, he also suggested we might see a little bit tapering next year. He also said that inflation is running hotter than their expectation despite opening economies, and he is not doing anything regarding inflation as of now. That is the conclusion of his yesterday's statement. Let's move on with the market charts. Currently, this is Dow Jones chart you are watching at 34,037. Dow Jones also made low of 34,105. Dow Jones low today at 33,952. Currently, Dow Jones is trading in positive zone till it is holding above our support. So what is the support resistance? Let's quickly find out. Dow Jones support stands at 33,900. This is a very major support. If Dow Jones break 33,900 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 33,700 and 33,500. Resistance stands at 34,223. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Dow Jones break 33,900 and manage to sustain below that level, then we will be having a problem and buyers may need to book their position if market break 33,900. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will go to commodities. This is Nasdaq chart. Nasdaq made a new all-time high of 14,330. Currently it is trading 14,285 after making a low around 14,256. It recently made 14,256 lows. Currently it is trading almost 14,300. So what is the resistance? What is the support? Let's quickly find out. Nasdaq support stands at 14,200 and that is a very major support. If Nasdaq break 14,200 and manage to sustain below 14,200, then Nasdaq might crash up to 14,000 and even 13,800 is possible. However, Nasdaq resistance stands at 14,360. Current trend is, of course, positive. So avoid going for sell till Nasdaq is sustaining above 14,200. Let's jump to the commodities. This is spot gold chart. Currently spot gold is trading 1782 after making a high of 1787. If you have watched my Asian session video which I update on my Hindi channel, then you must be knowing the resistance at 1792. It have not broke the support resistance and still trading in weak zone. If you want to watch my Asian session video, you can subscribe my Hindi channel, link is in description. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will get the levels just like you are getting here on notepad. Resistance at 1792, support at 1768. Till gold is sustaining below 1792, gold will remain in weak zone. Once gold breaks 1792 and manage to sustain above that level, then gold might test around 1800 and even 1820 is possible. Currently gold is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Silver is trading 25.90 after making a low around 25.75. It also made high above $26, but it is not sustaining above $26 at all. In fact, if you watch the 2-3 days charts, it is not sustaining above $26 at all. In fact, my resistance in Asian session video was $26.10 and it is still intact. So let me give you the resistance support again. Silver resistance stands at $26.10. Silver need to break and sustain at least 30 to 60 minutes in order to return to positive. Support, however, stands at $25.70. Current trend is weak, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Forex, then we will go for cryptocurrencies. This is GBP USD chart. Currently it is trading 39.89. It is trading in positive zone. Let me quickly give you resistance and support. Then we will go for euro and then we will go for cryptocurrencies. GBP USD support stands at 39.20. It is a very major support. GBP USD resistance stands at 40.20. Currently GBP USD is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if GBP USD break 39.20 and manage to sustain below that level, then only it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise GBP USD in positive zone. Let's move on to euro. This is euro chart. It made high of 1955 just few minutes ago. Currently it is trading 1947. If you have watched my morning video, you must be knowing that euro is in positive zone. Again, it is in positive zone. Euro support, however, stands at 1900 now. Euro resistance have shifted now 1985. Currently euro is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if euro break 1900, then we will be having a problem for buyers. Otherwise no problem for buyers. Currently euro is in positive zone. Let's move on to cryptocurrencies. First we will see Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. Finally Bitcoin have recovered from $29,000 to $34,000. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone. It have entered in positive zone. Bitcoin buyers prayers have been answered and support stands at $32,200. Resistance, however, stands at $36,100. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Bitcoin break 32,200 and manage to sustain below that level, then Bitcoin will enter in weak zone, and after that it could retest $29,000 and even $25,000 is possible. And if you are still watching this video without clicking the like button, please do not hesitate to click the like button. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum chart. It have recovered from $1,700 to $2,000. Currently it is trading in positive zone. Let me give you the resistance and support. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Support stands at 1870. Resistance, however, stands at 2090. Currently Ethereum is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have enjoyed this video for whatever reason, please do not hesitate to click the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For regular data, for regular market updates, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.